Hello, we are Edgar, Turgut, Carolina, and Fabrizio from Team 13, and this is our presentation on our innovative business idea that will benefit from the deployment of technology in our city. So our first step was to identify a problem that characterizes our society, particularly focusing on student life, since it is closer to our lifestyle. We selected one main issue, which is college student mental health, that in some cases can lead to depression or anxiety. College students tend to be very isolated and not have very deep and trustworthy relationships, so often they would not talk to anyone about these issues. Nevertheless, this is also a reason why it is important to help them feel connected and included in society. In return, restoring students' mental health could also have a positive impact on the performance and on their career. So taking into consideration these issues, our team came up with an idea called AI Saver. AI Saver is a tool that is aimed to students with mental health disorders. It is an app designed to monitor and connect students with mental health issues to their parents and doctors in order to keep track of their situation and eventual progress and provide a reliable and trusted mental health support. The main purpose of this app is to create awareness and increase knowledge on students' personal condition and allow them to connect with people that have suffered or are suffering from the same kind of situation. Also, in this way, they can be monitored by experts to avoid self-harm and, once they are over these problems, they can still be part of the community and help others. To develop and make this app work, we are using an artificial intelligence-based technology. This is because AI has the capacity of being a visual therapist, bringing psychotherapy to more people who need it. As a team, we first developed general solutions in AI working with our mental health experts. But in the long run, the idea is to be able to create profiles that virtual AI therapists could be assigned to each patient depending on a previous assessment done before using the app. AI Saver will be able to monitor and detect dangerous patterns in the patient's behavior and also analyze voice variations to understand if there are changes in their moods. Our app has a subscription-based business model where customers will pay a $5 monthly fee to use these services. Any additional service, for example wanting a personal meeting with a counselor, will come at cost. Our major partners will be universities that will be providing us access to the pool of customers. Secondly, mental health institutions will allow us to have access to knowledge and talent that can help us deliver the services. Finally, partnering with an insurance company will help us offer our services to the clients. We will launch a social media campaign and contact student services to reach out for college students. Our goal is to keep them posted on the school's student portal, and on top of that, use Google AdWords to do target research, in particular through keywords as depression or anxiety. On the other side of the platform, we will reach out for psychologists and psychiatrists through medical ads. This is our business model canvas. We have pretty much described many of the sections of it in the previous slides, but in addition to what already explained, it is important to describe what our cost structure will be like. Our main expenses will be related to students' acquisition costs throughout advertisement and social media campaigns. Then there is platforms building and maintenance, which we will outsource. Finally, there will be the costs related to doctor acquisition process that we described in the previous slide. Thank you for your attention. This was Team 13.